In today's video, I wanted to share my step-by-step morning routine that helps me stay productive and inspired throughout the day. So from the moment I wake up to the moment I sit down and write, my morning routine is designed step by step to help me stay focused and productive, because nowadays I both work and I write every day, so I need to have this routine to help me, boost my productivity. So whether you're a writer, an aspiring author, or if you're just looking for productivity tips, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let's dive in. One day I want to become a full-time writer and entrepreneur and have this as my full-time job. And that is why I try to do something every day that will help me get closer to this goal. And having a productive routine is so important if you want to sustain and have the energy to write every day, no matter what, despite having your full-time job and doing chores and whatever. So the first thing that I do is I set my alarm earlier than I used to before I started writing every day. Right now it's summer and I work remotely during the summer, so I don't have to get up as early as when I go into the office. So at the time of this video, I wake up at 6:30, and waking up early gives me a head start, which allows me to enjoy the peace and quiet of the morning. And this uninterrupted time is perfect for me to get a head start of the day. I should add in here that I am a morning person, so getting up early for me is not that hard. If you're a night owl, then maybe you should try to get a productive evening routine instead of a morning routine. And one of the most important things when it comes to my mornings to be able to keep focus throughout the entire morning block is for me to not have any distractions in the morning. So I put away my phone, I don't have notifications on, I turn off my email and all of those stuff. I don't check social media because it's a rabbit hole, and I make sure to stay away from those things because I don't want to get distracted in the morning. And the first thing that I do in the mornings are usually a 15-minute meditation, and sometimes I also do a 5-minute stretch just to wake up first the mind and get myself centered, and then the body. This is a great way for me to, start slow but very, very productive. It also helps me, if I've had a bad night's sleep or whatever, the meditation helps me find my center again. I've been meditating every day for, I don't know, 3 years now, maybe. Yeah, I was super stressed at work for a time there. And that's when I started meditating, and it really, really helped. I think it, yeah, might have saved me from getting burnt out. So I definitely recommend that you try meditation. And after that, I want to get a healthy start of the day. So I drink my morning coffee and I take my Magic Mind shot. Magic Mind is a mental performance shot that helps me gain focus and, keeps me focused and motivated throughout the day. I really, really love these. They boost my energy. They help with, keep me from starting to procrastinate and stuff like that. And I've been trying these for a few weeks now, and the more I take them, the better they become, I feel. They are so kindly sponsoring this video as well, so thank you so much, Magic Mind. If you guys want to try it, the shots, I will leave you the link, and there will be a link to Magic Mind in the description along with the promotion code so that you will get a discount on your first subscription. So yeah, try it. I love this. It's so good. So try to get a healthy start in the morning, drink your coffee, take your Magic Mind shot, eat a healthy breakfast. This is also important. Like, you don't want to start the day by checking social media, because then your dopamine levels will hit the roof and then you'll just go down. The same thing goes with your breakfast. If you eat a healthy breakfast, like, your blood sugar levels will rise slowly instead of you eating a sugary breakfast and then you crash. So remember this, it's so important for how the rest of your day will be. So please be mindful about that. And then I do my morning journaling. Like, this is one of my favorite parts of the day because, it's also a way to clear my mind again. Sometimes I will write about, something that has to do with my writing project. Sometimes I will write about a dream I had or whatever. It can be anything, but I really, really appreciate the time, taking the time for myself to do some journaling, and it's only for me, so I can write whatever I want to. So nice. And after that, I sit down and write. I write everywhere from between half an hour to multiple hours. It depends on what day it is. It depends on if I'm working that day, how much time I have. But because of the start that I've had with not distracting myself, not stressing, taking the time for me, this makes it so much easier for me to focus and concentrate, and also to snap into writing mode straight away. As soon as I sit down, I'll start writing. I won't sit like this for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I won't waste any time. Instead, I'll just get going. And yeah, this is something like you can train up. If it doesn't happen straight away for you, that's fine. Just keep on getting back to it. And then when I'm finished writing, I get ready, put my makeup on, and get ready for work. And then I start working. And no matter what happens throughout the rest of the day, I've already achieved something just for me. I've done something just for me, for my life dream. And that's so amazing. That will help, no matter what happens throughout the rest of the day, I will still be happy and pleased with myself because of that. And yeah, that's my productive morning routine that helps me sustain writing every day. Yeah, these tips are for you to get a creative flow, and I hope that they were helpful for you too. And remember that you can buy your Magic Mind shots and get a discount. The link is in the description box. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.